If you are starting your UPSC 2027 preparation, don't make the mistake of collecting too many books. First, understand the exam and build a strong foundation. Let me show you how. UPSC prelims consist of two papers. Paper 1 General Studies, 100 questions for 200 marks in 2 hours, MCQ based. Negative marking of one third held. This paper decides prelims cutoff. Paper 2 season, 80 questions for 200 marks. This paper is qualifying in nature. You only need 33% to clear it. Now comes the most important question. Where should beginners start? The answer is simple. NCERT. NCERT build your concepts which are extremely important. Here, what you should read. For history, cover Ancient by Class 11th R.S. Sharma. For medieval, Satish Chandra. For modern history, Class 12th Bipin Chandra. For polity, read Class 9 to 12th NCERT. For geography, complete 6 to 12th NCERT books. For economy, 9 to 12th NCERT. For science and tech, complete Class 6 to 12th for basic concept. For art and culture, read Class 11 Fine Arts. But here the biggest challenge. There are 30 plus NCERT books. You have to buy them separately. Keep switching between different books and revision becomes difficult and time consuming. That's why I found the Oswaal NCERT One for All series really useful. Now let's take a look at the Polity book. This is the Oswaal NCERT One for All Polity book. It brings together all the important NCERT concepts in one place in simple and structured format. Along with that, you get chapter-wise explanations, practice questions, and previous year questions. So you can study, practice, and revise from the same book. Similarly, the One for All series is available for history, geography, economy, and science subject as well. So instead of collecting and managing 30 plus separate NCERT books, you can keep your preparation more organized and focus on understanding concepts and revision. This book is useful not only for UPSC aspirants but also for state pieces and other competitive exams where NCERT based concepts are important. If you are planning to start your preparation, you can check out the book through the link in the description. And if you decide to purchase it, don't forget to use my code SANYAL10 to get up to 50% off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Radhe Radhe everyone.